Do you have broken plastic parts that you want to repair? Polyvance's 5700HT Mini-Weld Model 7 is the most versatile plastic welder on the market for light-duty repair work on virtually any popular plastic material. The Mini-Weld Model 7 comes with 8 different kinds of plastic welding rod, which match today's most common plastics on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, kayaks, canoes, outdoor equipment, and virtually anything made of plastic. With Polyvance's Model 7 welder, you'll be able to repair plastic bumper covers, headlight tabs, fan shrouds, radiator tanks, windshield washer bottles, inner fender liners, motorcycle fairings, ATV fenders, and more. The Model 7 features a variable temperature control that is essential for welding heat-sensitive plastics like urethane and ABS. It comes with 2 welding tips, one for the round welding rods and one for the flat FiberFlex sticks. FiberFlex is a universal welding rod that sticks to any plastic, but is designed to work best on problem plastics like polypropylene and TPO. It has carbon and glass fiber reinforcement for strength and flexibility, and a sandable filler for a fine feather edge when finishing. When you don't know what kind of plastic you're working with, FiberFlex will work most of the time. The Model 7 comes with thermoplastic polyurethane welding rod. This is essential for repairing vintage bumpers from the 80s and 90s and is still used today on some expensive, limited production vehicles. Without Polyvance's products and expertise, many of these expensive and rare bumpers would be in landfills today. In addition to polyurethane and FiberFlex, the Model 7 features ABS, polyethylene, polypropylene, TPO, nylon, and polycarbonate welding rod. Each welder comes with a piece of our stainless steel wire mesh. This can be cut to size and embedded in the plastic, like rebar in concrete, to reinforce your repair on thermoplastic parts. Most importantly, the Polyvance Mini-Weld Model 7 comes with the backing and support of Polyvance, the innovator in automotive plastic repair since 1981. We invented the Airless plastic welder and were the first to train and promote plastic repair in the auto body industry in the early 80s. Polyvance continues to focus exclusively on plastic repair products, so we can provide you with the best technical information on our website and with our library of training videos on our YouTube channel. With the product's 1-year warranty and the technical information provided by Polyvance, you can be confident that the Model 7 welder will solve your plastic repair problems. The 5700HT Mini-Weld Model 7 is designed for light-duty repair work. If you are a professional collision repair technician or if you have industrial or high-volume needs, Polyvance also manufactures a range of professional-grade nitrogen plastic welders. The Mini-Weld Model 7 is available from authorized distributors of Polyvance products in many countries around the world. Visit www.polyvance.com to see a map of Polyvance distributors.